Good morning, friends. Firstly, thank you very much for your support during the year 2022. The year has been full of ups and downs in the world because it's considered as, if you take 22 is number 4, but if you take 2022 then number 6. So it has been good for entertainment industry, but not so good for, in the world if you see the conflicts. Anyway, it's a goodbye to 2022 and welcome to year 2023. Here are some of the remedies by Kismet Connection for year 2023. First is write number 23 with the green pen on the left hand ring finger on the mount. Write this on the 31st. So like I have written 23 and today is the 31st. So the ring finger, remember, on the left hand. Then write Z or Z with the green pen on the white paper and keep the paper in northwest Vaastu zone of your office, house, premise. So wherever you have the property, you can keep this paper there. Make sure you do not cover the paper with any items. You can also stick it on the wall if you like, or put it on table. Important for the 1st January, do not wear black, blue on the 1st Jan. So only on this day, that is tomorrow. If you have money related challenges, then daily write 0808 on the left hand daily with the green pen. Draw infinity symbol. This is the infinity symbol on the cardamom with the blue pen and keep it with you for the whole of 2023. For some reason, if the cardamom gets broken or something, then you can rewrite and carry on with the new cardamom with the infinity symbol on it and keep it with you. You can make few, one for the cash box, one for your safe, one for office. So wherever you feel you need one, then you can make that many pieces. For the year 2023, always write number 23 for the year part, not 2023, because 2023 is a Ketu or Neptune, but 23 will be the Buddh, Mercury. So this will have more positive vibration than the 2023. So follow this tip and do share the outcome. With some of these, like the 1st and 2nd, you should start seeing the result in 11 to 21 days, something positive happening. So wishing you all the very best in the year 2023, health, happiness, wealth, prosperity, everything that you desire, in 2023. Please do follow Kismet Connection channel and do share with your friends and family so they can also benefit. As I always say, sharing is caring. So do share in your circle. And thank you very much for your support in 2022 and looking forward to amazing 2023. Thank you very much. Rohit Shah from Kismet Connection.